In this video, we're going to install my new plate number that we just got from DMB, and I'm going to walk you through it and how we got it, and we're going to put that one in the car that I have. So let's do this. This is how you will obtain the special license plate from the DMV. You're going to go to the dmv.ca.gov under vehicle/vessels and license plates. You're going to go to order special interest and personalized plates. And then you have the option to do sequential plate or personalized plate. And then check that and next. And then you're going to put the type of the vehicle, and then if it is company owned or leased, and then here are the choices that you can have. But I like the 1960 Legacy. The prices are there, the initial cost, and then the annual renewal fee. So let's pick what 1960 Legacy, and then next, and then now you can customize it. And this is the one that I picked for the letters for this one, and let's see how is it gonna be and how long it's gonna take for them to make it. Install it already. Goodbye of the old plate and hello to the new one. Hey. So when you purchase the plate from the DMV, it will take 2 months, and then yeah, because they were telling me that the one who made that one are the prison people, the one from jail.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's what they were telling me. So it took a long time.
Maybe.
And then they gave you the stickers because I registered the car anyways. So yeah, and then they were telling me that that's mine already, no matter what. If I'm going to change the car or sell the car, I have to keep those plate number because I paid for it. And then this is the old one. And then the other one I surrendered now to the DMV yesterday. And now my dad is fixing it right now. 2020, here we go. The meaning for the plate number is just simple. It's just my name, and then of course my fiance's nickname, which is SEB for Sebastian. So you're just going to screw that in, I think. Just help him to hold this one. Yay! Just make sure he's tightening it up. There you go. It's done. Thank you, Dad. Nice. Yay! And you're watching Carlo&Seb channel. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Do what makes you happy.